Just a quick one to let you know that with the Beaver Builder plugin and version 2.1.1, which has just been released as I'm recording this, they've added a new filter that allows you to disable inline editing that was introduced in version 2.1. And I've added a snippet to my live demo site at only.beaverjunction.com. Link will be below and you can find it under tips and tricks. And if you want to disable inline editing, what you'll need to do is to copy this snippet here and then head to the back of your site, go to appearance, go to the editor section. When that's loaded, it should load your styles.css file of your child theme, but you'll need to just make sure that you are in your child theme and then also change it to functions, and then you can paste that snippet anywhere you like and update the file, and inline editing will be turned off. I just want to use this opportunity as well to update on something I mentioned when I was looking at the alpha version of 2.1, and I was concerned about inline editing for those who had restricted access, and I can show you that best here. I'm on this site here and I'm in as an editor who's been given restricted access, and as you can see, as I hover over, I don't have the usual icons. Well, my concern was with inline editing that as you were trying to move around, your settings panel or dialog box would get in the way, and at that point there was no way to dock the settings panel to the right or the left as you could do with full access. Well, that's now been changed. It was changed in version 2.1, and I think this is probably the best way generally to work with inline editing if you're keeping it, because it doesn't get in the way. So that was all I wanted to say. I hope these short videos aren't getting too annoying, and I hope to catch you on a longer video soon. Thanks very much for listening. Bye bye.